Hammers are instrumental in helping change and shape metal, bringing your jewelry to life and giving your work a custom look. Hi, I'm Patti. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. And today we're going to be talking about mallets, which are hammers that you will use to form metal without changing its surface texture, as well as specialty hammers, which are used for various reasons, including texturizing metal.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Let's start with mallets. Let's look at the Rawhide Mallet. The Rawhide Mallet is made of a rolled piece of leather, and it's ideal for shaping soft metal on a mandrel. And here we have a rubber mallet. This is ideal for forming soft metals. Let's look at the wood mallet. A wood mallet is ideal for mid-weight and hardness metals. And last, let's look at the nylon head mallet, which is really ideal for soft, lightweight metals and leatherworking. Let's look at specialty hammers. The first one I'll show you is a chasing hammer. This one has a domed convex head and a ball peen head. It's ideal for planishing metal and creating that classic hammered texture, like this. The next hammer I'll show you is a riveting hammer. This one is specifically used for finishing rivets. Let's look at the interchangeable head hammer. This is the texturing hammer. It's also used for putting holes in metal or leather. You just choose a head. They all come with the hammer and the little collar, and screw that right onto the hammer. Really wonderful. This is one of several texturizing hammers that we sell. You can see that it has a striped end and a dot end. So this is good for making a really nice uniform texture in your metal. As you can see here, the dot pattern or the stripe pattern, it really brings a unique look to your work. Now that we've covered some great mallets and specialty hammers, I hope you have a better understanding of which hammer will be the best for your project. Thank you so much for being with us here today. We'll see you in the next video.